It's locked in there.
Should I come around to that side?
2 sway bar attachments. Clip in over there. Count the 6 chain link. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clips into right here. Spins up.
Pin in.
Locks into there. Repeat process on the other side.
Which spot gets pin?
This is the pin. Locks that in. Locks that in. To tighten it up, go and see you feel resistance. 3/4 turn.
So,
Bob's your uncle.
anti-sway bar, weight distribution bars. 2 weight distribution bars, and then I'm gonna turn it sideways. The goal is to, which you probably know this already, is to have a straight line between your camper and your car. Like your car makes a line, and then your camper, like if you had a level or a ruler, it would be one solid straight line all the way across. And then you disconnect the same way.
It has to be jacked up to disconnect.
Yeah, it has to be jacked up to be disconnected.